Hello everyone, how are you? In this video, I would like to share with you an error, or it's kind of error which is usually happens when we try to add an Excel sheet to ArcMap software. So, for example, if we have an Excel sheet and we try to add it, add, by the way, we will go to the file and then add data and then add X and Y data, or just you can um, click on this icon which is add data and try to find your um, Excel sheet and add sheet 1, and it will be added as a file, and then you have to go to the file and add or display X and Y. So this is my Excel sheet, and as you can see we have X field and Y field, so it should be read the latitude and the longitude from the Excel sheet, but it is not reading the coordinates. So if you look at the file, this is the file that we use it. Right here we have longitude and latitude, and it's recommended to write longitude before latitude because I found it in some cases that if we put a latitude before longitude, it will not read two. So, and if we have an extra right here, for example, an extra um, row above the title or above the number, also it may be not read the file. So right here I think everything is okay because we don't have an extra row above the Excel sheet, and we have longitude before latitude, so everything looks good. But as you can see, it will not read the file. If we try again, this is my file GPS and sheet 1, but it's not reading except one field, which is elevation, and it's not working in this purpose. The error is actually, if you look at the numbers of the longitude and latitude, we found something different. Like here we found this point, and we found this point too, and we tried to check the numbers in order to make sure that all of them looks correct. So I think that was the main error that makes the ArcMap doesn't read the Excel sheet file, because as I said before that everything looks good. We have longitude, latitude, and try to um, write the latitude and longitude words in a correct uh, way. So now we will try again, and right here we have this GPS file, and it's not reading. So we try to check it again. Maybe there is no, I think it's good. So we will save it and close it. And again, um, sorry, this is not the file. This is the file. This is CVS. and this is the XLS, and it's not reading. So we will try to, okay, we have to remove the original file, and we will try to add it again. GPS, and as you can see, it works. We have longitude in X field, and we have latitude in Y field, and it should be like that, and everything looks good. And now it's reading. This is usual error. It says that the file that you try to add, it will not have an ID, so we have to click OK, and then try to export these data with a different name, and then the latitude and longitude will be added. So it was uh, really common error that we always face it when we try to add an Excel file to the ArcMap. So thank you.